The Porsche Car Connect app provides special functions for operating your vehicle remotely, especially your Panamera E-Hybrid. The e-mobility services are part of Porsche Car Connect. The battery and charge management function, for example, allows you to monitor the current charge level of the hybrid battery, the remaining charge time, the all-electric range, and the range with a combustion engine. You can conveniently and directly control certain functions of your Panamera E-Hybrid via the app. For example, you can use the timer to specify exactly when a charging process should end. The Porsche charging equipment allows you to easily and conveniently charge your Panamera E-Hybrid. Together with a practical wall-mounted box, the Porsche charger is like a private filling station for your Panamera E-Hybrid. The port for the charging cable is located on the left-hand side of the car. A symbol in the car and info display in the instrument cluster shows its location. Connect the charger to your car using the charging cable. The plug on the charging cable is automatically locked, even if you don't lock your car. Instant charging begins. Using a standard domestic plug, it takes around 6 hours to charge an empty battery. The remaining charge time is displayed on the instrument cluster. The vehicle socket has a status LED that provides information about the progress of the charging process. The length of the LED's illumination time indicates the battery's charge level. The longer the LED is illuminated, the fuller the battery. If the status LED glows continuously green, the battery is fully charged. You program the timer via Porsche Communication Management PCM or the Porsche Car Connect app on your smartphone. If required, you can align the interior air conditioning with the timer via your smartphone or via the PCM. If the LED on the top button glows, the timed charging has been activated. If the LED on the top button flashes 3 times, the desired start time still needs to be programmed. If you'd like to start the charging process immediately, despite having activated the timer, simply press the top button once. When the battery is fully charged, the charging process automatically stops. In order to release the lock on the charging cable and remove the cable, a locked vehicle must first be unlocked by pressing the open button on the vehicle key. Alternatively, pull the door handle to unlock the car. The vehicle key simply needs to be close by. Now press the bottom button on the socket to unlock the plug. Once unlocked, the green status LED goes out. You can then remove the charging cable and close the charge port door. On the road, fill up your Panamera E-Hybrid as normal at a filling station, with petrol for the combustion engine and with electricity for the electric drive. You start your Panamera E-Hybrid effortlessly in typical Porsche fashion. If all the systems are ready, the vehicle's readiness to start is shown on the power and drive display in the instrument cluster of the Panamera E-Hybrid. An acoustic signal is also sounded. To fill up your Panamera E-Hybrid with petrol, press the button on the driver's door. It will take a few seconds for the pressure in the pressure tank of your Panamera E-Hybrid to be reduced. When the pressure has been fully reduced, a notification of the tank's readiness will appear in the instrument cluster. The filler cap is automatically unlocked. Porsche Communication Management, PCM, and the instrument cluster produce hybrid-specific displays for your Panamera E-Hybrid. The energy flow chart, either in the instrument cluster or PCM, shows the flow of energy between the combustion engine, electric motor, and wheels. The zero-emission display in the PCM provides you with statistical information about how far you can drive with the combustion engine switched off. In addition, hybrid-specific information is displayed in the PCM, such as the remaining distance you can cover using only electric power. To the right of the rev counter, there is, in addition to the energy flow chart, an E-trip display and the E-consumption display, which shows the energy consumption of the electric motor and auxiliary equipment, as well as the boost assist, which provides information about the available boost power. To the left of the rev counter is the hybrid assistant, which displays the current electric drive power. The power meter provides information about the drive power and electric motor's current recuperation. Every journey starts with electricity alone in e-power mode, provided the battery is sufficiently charged. Depending on the battery charge level, you can almost silently cover up to 51 kilometers using only the electric motor, at speeds of up to 140 kilometers per hour. You can select the e-power, hybrid auto, sport, and sport plus driving modes directly via Porsche Communication Management, PCM, or using the mode switch. You activate the e-hold and e-charge driving modes in PCM, provided the mode switch remains set to H. In e-power mode, a pressure point on the accelerator pedal tells you when the vehicle is switching from purely using the electric motor to using the combustion engine. If required, or by overriding the pressure point, the combustion engine is restarted. In addition to the power meter, the hybrid assistant in the instrument cluster also tells you when you are purely using the electric motor, and at which point the combustion engine is started. The so-called boost allows you to call up additional power at any time, such as when you want to overtake. The amount of energy released therefore depends on the selected driving mode. In Sport and Sport Plus mode, the battery's entire energy reserves are available for this boost. Hybrid Auto mode allows you to drive your Panamera E-Hybrid as efficiently as possible. To do this, the system uses route data such as altitude, speed limits, and road types. If route guidance is active via the navigation system, the battery's energy and available fuel are used as intelligently as possible until you've reached your destination. To activate e-charge mode, first press the mode icon in the hybrid menu. Now select e-charge. In e-charge mode, some of the engine power is used to fully recharge the battery while driving, if a city route is coming up, for instance. In e-hold mode, the battery's charge level is maintained. Electric driving is still possible and the boost function is still available. In all driving modes, the electric motor acts as a generator when braking and therefore recharges the battery. In Sport and Sport Plus mode, the electric motor and combustion engine develop the full performance potential together. In Sport Plus mode, the boost function is further increased compared to Sport mode, for sporty driving with maximum performance and maximum torque. The e-launch function allows you to achieve a racing start using only the power from the electric motor. Activate the e-power mode. Now depress the brake pedal and touch the accelerator until you reach the pressure point. Once the maximum torque is achieved, an e-launch active message appears in the instrument cluster. Now release the brake. Your Panamera E-Hybrid will start with maximum electric power. In situations where no drive is required, the combustion engine is automatically disconnected from the drivetrain and switched off, so as to be as efficient as possible. The Panamera E-Hybrid is then in coasting mode. Coasting is always disabled in Sport and Sport Plus mode.